why don't you show me Zhuhai? Zhuhai. Oh, I want to see Zhuhai. Please, why don't you show me Zhuhai?
We are in a part of Zhuhai called Doumen Old Street. So Doumen Old Street, people are very friendly. I don't think they see many foreigners here, so they were saying hello over there. And anyways, we're gonna walk around and check it out on this kind of rainy day today. So we'll probably walk over that way. Doumen Old Town, part of Zhuhai. Up on the map, we'll show that to you as well. Zhuhai, Doumen Old Street, up on the map, exactly where we're gonna be. So this has a lot of history to it. You can see it because we're gonna walk around and we're gonna kind of see a little bit of references to that as well. And let's just go there as if you were there yourself. Let's go check out Doumen Old Street in Zhuhai. Yeah, it's kind of raining, but it's nice out. I mean, it's good for filming because it's when it's wet like this, it really captures the colors better. When it's sunny and bright, it'll bleach it all out. So just so that you know, this location here is Doumen Old Street, known for its covered arcades, but you also have some interesting other architecture too here. Actually got some really good details in these balconies. Yeah, a lot of detail. So I think this might be, it's a Friday at 10 in the morning. So I have a feeling that this might be quite busy at other times in the evening. Maybe it attracts a lot of tourists. You can kind of tell because it's it attracted me. But I've never been here any other time than now. This is my first time to come here. But you do have some tourist things. And people are selling things, so I saw some other people out on the street like this too. They're preparing for the day. It's like they're just getting stuff out for this morning. So yeah, it's like a little bit of a tourist place. Got the Doumen. So we're about it's about 60. It's almost like a separate city from Zhuhai. It feels so far removed, but in reality, it's not very far at all. It took about 1 hour. It's about, is it 40 kilometers or 45 kilometers, something like that, from Macau, basically, from the border of Macau and Zhuhai. Okay, so it looks like we could walk up that way, see things that direction. They're doing, like it's like some kind of ice cream. It sounded like somebody was clearing their throat. More tourist things. Okay. So we got lots of stuff out here already for this morning, so I don't know if they gear up every day or it's the weekend that's bigger. It's a nice building. So they got more down there. I'm gonna just go across. I just want to see what food they're serving. Just going across. Check it out. So these will probably give us this is probably what people come and get when they come here. Because this is kind of the tourist area. Yeah, there's some nice arcade buildings. nice paintings. I don't think these areas get many foreigners. And I'm kind of curious how long this street is. So I definitely started at one end of it because the taxi came to a spot that just kind of ended. And I'm kind of curious how far down it goes. But that probably gives an indication right here. So here's some balconies, but here's a doesn't clearly say where I started at, but it does give an indication to me that I'm on the main street. And the street is basically linear. So it looks like this, there's that, I did see that on the map, that this big yellow building. Really like that painting right here. That's such a cool painting. So now you can see Doumen Old Street is one of the earliest areas where Westerners lived and did businesses in Lingnan, Macau. So this is a Canadian pastor, Reverend John Galloway. So yeah, this is where foreigners lived. Don't know if that's a foreigner there. Oh, okay, let me just see. So it looks like this little plaque was made in 2021 to recognize it. The core protection area is 1.2 hectares. Let's see what the side streets look like. So if I was to... Huh, that's a painting right there too. Okay. So yeah, Canadian John Holloway. It's definitely set up for tourists because you can see the wings right here. So yeah, I think my understanding is, I think this whole area kind of opened up to trade because originally it was Macau with the Portuguese, and then Hong Kong and England and British, and then a lot of trade came in really quickly from there. So we are going to be walking down that way. This looks like it's kind of a key building. But what I want to see is this. That looks amazing. I bet we could probably go up there. Maybe. But it looks like we'd overlooked this beautiful green space. A little park here. Then you have these. You got a barber, got a bicycle shop. I guess historically they would have had more bicycles everywhere, I guess so. Movie. Oh. It's funny. So yeah, the movie is actually kind of outdated now. It's slowly dying, you know, the era when people would go to movie theaters. You'd think that would never die, but actually it seems suddenly kind of old. Dated movie theater. Very beautiful. So we're gonna keep on walking down. See as much as we can of Doumen. Yeah, it's right on the other side of a mountain, so. Be one of these places that'd probably be more interesting in the evening to see what it's like. So I know I have to come back in the evening sometime, and I will. It goes into like farmland down that way. Yeah, it's kind of a nice tourist street. Just getting set up for today. And I think that's the end of it, right down there. Let's see what this is all about. Yeah, there's all these little alleys and such. I'm kind of curious about those. But should I walk across that? It's kind of wet. There we go. Kind of want to stay on our main road. So yeah. Kind of interesting. So yeah, we're gonna get all the way down to the end and then we'll complete it. And I think I'm gonna do another Doumen where I'm gonna try to walk into those little alleys back there. This is the historical street, but then there's actually a town. It's like a kind of a big area actually with a lot of tall buildings and other places of Doumen. We went around a mountain to get here. It's kind of spread out, but this is very centralized and historic. So we'll come up to the end here. And then we'll come to a conclusion, and then I'll probably film a second one and try to walk into other parts of Doumen and see how different it is. From right here, it looks like you can see a park down that way. And then this looks like it goes into like just kind of normal Doumen. So this was our historical street. We'll end right there.